yakhih Kementerian Commercial Truck Owners and Driver Association MCTODA ibrane katul lakama chpausngi dewa sedang chwa hasurok jual bypass dahap karya no chamarung kaneng East Kasi Hills haga sotrik iberpo Mynsoo dekat kesan dewan siat tergas ki pulit karkam video wada porba da yo ye pensengek ya kawi truck hai por perdisen yaw ga sotrik dagwa penmanya yakhih yaw khang ye lai wan ki truck bakit simen wa klinker naki karkhana pemik simen ke East Hills District Hapadi pesengek ya kini ketrok desiat ki pelit ya ketiar gas kewada hap rap akmat kini ketrok hai wa Mynsoo bon ngut kam tam hai bentar kejan hawa kali nagi wa yakhih do anggi mempuyo yukhang gi hado kawan ngut wa Mynsoo ka kubor pertanyaan ko hadin ini.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Hello!